Hi, my name is Michael.
I'm Micah.
This is part 3 in a series of help videos related to general computer problems you as students, staff, and parents may have.
Note that you should not perform any maintenance on school or district computers. These tips are for personal devices only.
Let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome to video 3 in this series of computer help videos. In this video we'll be focusing on computer security, so things like malware and virus protection, as well as things you do on the internet, and just general like app safety, stuff like that. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the bottom left hand of your screen again with the little Windows key. Press that, and we're going to go straight to settings. If you hold it, it'll say settings, or it's just this little gear icon here. And we're going to go to update and security right here in the middle. Yours may be laid out differently, but you should still see update and security. And here we're going to want to go to, on the left hand side you have this little bar here of options. You're going to want to go to Windows security. And in here, as you can see, we have like actions needed, actions recommended. So we're just going to hit open Windows security. This will just open up the Windows security program, and you can close settings here in the back if you'd like. You can leave it open as well, doesn't matter. So here at Windows security, the first thing you see is like the home page. This is like the dashboard, the overall what they recommend you should do. So here, as you can see, they recommend we do some things. So under virus and threat protection, like we have no current threats, which is good, but real-time protection is off. So if we hit manage settings, there's a lot of stuff off. So this is the big one at the top here, real-time protection. This, as you install a program and you go to run it, this is like Windows immediately looking to see if it's malware. If you leave this off, you could run it, no problem. It's not even going to check. So I'd recommend turning this on immediately. And it's going to ask if Windows security can make that change. You should obviously hit yes. And then here we get into some more finite details, preventing others from tampering with your information. Honestly, if you don't know what you're doing here, I'd recommend just turning them all on. There's no reason why you shouldn't, because this is for like the data on the cloud. Yeah, just turn it all on. Trust me, it's for the better. So if we go back to the home page, as you can see, we now have a green check mark with no action needed. We're done. So over here we have the firewall and network protection. This is your like anything used on the internet. So if you want to go to Google Chrome, any online game, this is network protection. So if we go here, is using settings that make your device unsafe. They don't recommend it. So here we have 3 options. So we have your domain network. This is networks if you're connected to like a company Wi-Fi sort of thing. That's what this is. So it's off. Your device may be vulnerable. So we should turn it on. Again, it's going to ask us if we want to make that change. And we're going to do the same thing for private network. This is like at your home or work, and it will allow your device to access other things on your home, but so it won't block like everything, but it will block things from outside that it deems suspicious. So we'll also turn that on. Again, it will keep asking us if we want to make that change. And then the public network is coffee shops, airports, anything anybody can access. So this is the biggest one right here, because people at your home, like you'd have to download something, but public networks, anybody can be on it doing anything and could be trying to get information. So you want to turn this on. Again, it's going to ask us, just click yes. And if we go back home, as you can see, it changes, green tick, and no actions needed. Here on app and browser control, really simple. It just wants to know that if it can look to see if something's now not only malicious, malware, because the other one will handle that, but anything potentially unwanted. So anything it deems as it's doing something that it's not supposed to do, but it's in it, so it's just going to warn you, saying that it can do this. So your device may be vulnerable, so we're going to hit turn on. Again, if it says yes, you can just click it. It's asking if it can make changes. And it may do this. This is actually common in Windows security, where it says it's off. You may need to click this a couple times. And there we go. So you know that everything is working perfectly when you're at security at a glance, or the home page, and everything is perfect. you have green ticks the whole way through and no red X's or yellow warnings or anything like that. So that's how you use your computer safely and securely, and hope you guys are here for the next part.